Minnesota Auctioneer Bond. What is the Minnesota Auctioneer Bond? The Minnesota Auctioneer Bond is a form of surety bond required by the state's Department of Commerce. It serves as a form of insurance, guaranteeing that auctioneers adhere to state laws, regulations, and ethical standards in their operations. Essentially, it's a safety net for consumers and a means of ensuring accountability within the auction industry. Why is it required? The requirement for an auctioneer bond is rooted in consumer protection. Auctions involve substantial financial transactions and the sale of valuable goods. Without proper oversight, there's a risk of fraudulent practices, such as misrepresentation of goods, failure to pay sellers, or failure to deliver goods to winning bidders. The bond acts as a financial guarantee that the auctioneer will conduct business honestly and ethically. How does it work? When an auctioneer obtains a bond, they enter into a three-party agreement. The parties involved are the auctioneer, the state of Minnesota, and the surety company. If the auctioneer engages in unlawful or unethical behavior, such as failing to pay required taxes or defrauding clients, a claim can be made against the bond. If the claim is validated, the surety company compensates the harmed parties up to the bond's coverage limit. However, it's essential to note that the auctioneer is ultimately responsible for repaying any funds disbursed by the surety company. Who needs it? Any individual or entity engaged in auctioneering activities within the state of Minnesota must obtain an auctioneer bond as part of the licensing process. This includes traditional auction houses, online auction platforms, and individual auctioneers conducting sales independently. Whether selling antiques, livestock, real estate, or any other goods, compliance with bond requirements is mandatory. To know more, please visit swiftbonds.com.